I'm dressed for the part. I'm ready to work. Is my hair all over the place? I feel like it is. Welcome back to the video, guys. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day, by the way. I'm trying to find this penitentiary spray. And just see where it's at. Oh, it's right here. This is what I use. I got some PB Blaster, my guy. This is gonna be today's job right here. It took us like, or it took the homie Francisco
30 minutes.
Yeah, like to wrap them.
Shitty wrap job, but
yeah, but it's cool, you know, like. And this is what we're working on today. This, well, you can't see. Let me get you guys this angle real quick. This is what we're working on today.
2003 WRX.
So we're gonna try to do this. I never really worked on these cars. There's an airplane passing. I haven't really worked on these cars, but I'm gonna try to do it. It doesn't really look too hard, you know. Like you can see the exhaust from right here. We're just gonna pretty much take off the header.
It's only like 8 nuts.
Yeah, it doesn't really. It don't really look too bad. It doesn't look like the 350Z ones where it's like a nightmare to like get to like every bolt. So I got faith in this, man. I got faith in this car. But now I actually gotta go to work, you know. I'm hoping to get this done in like 30 minutes.
Yeah, shouldn't take no longer.
That's what I'm hoping for. The exhaust isn't even that hot. We just gonna hose it down, you feel me? With some penetration spray. This is what we're dealing with today, ladies and gentlemen. Some stock header boys. Well, this looks like a fancy invention.
It is, bro. You just turn this little knob right here, and it just takes out the oil.
But I think it is leaking from there, so it probably just needs a new washer, you know?
Yeah.
Or like the fitting might just need to be like Teflon tape, right? Teflon tape. Yeah.
Yeah, the sealant.
Yeah, it just needs some
I don't know what the fuck it is, though,
that's an interesting contraption,
yeah,
you know?
You just move this and all the oil dumps out, but.
Oh, you have torque solution motor mounts or what?
Yeah.
Nice.
They rattle like a motherfucker.
They were over here though. Yes, I see that. But anyways, yeah, it's pretty. I never seen this before.
Yeah, see how tight it is?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Break it more. Alright, let's see if this does the trick, bro.
Yeah, 15.
You got it?
Yeah.
Sick.
Well, I'm just gonna break them and then take them out.
Yeah, just break them all loose and. Bro, this one's still tight as fuck.
Oh,
yeah, it is. Oh, never mind, I broke it.
Hold on. Oh, the homie knocked down the camera. Yeah, this thing's pretty heavy. This thing especially.
Fuck.
These are what are they made out of?
bro?
Yeah, I do.
Huh?
Yeah, I do. What are these made out of? They're made out of
Cast iron?
yeah, these are cast. This material is probably the thinnest part, but this one's made out of cast. Crazy. That one's agency powered. Let me see how big this is. This is like what, 4 fingers across, pretty much. And this one is like
2.
Yeah, like 2, barely 2. You guys can see that? Fat ass difference. Let me see where. Oh, it's the same side, huh? Let me see. If you guys can see that, like inside, it's like a very not good like collector. Watch out. And if you look at this one, the collector is like literally all 4 of them right there. If you guys can see that, can I show you guys? Yeah. Yeah, the collector's different. It's cool. And what? It's not really like big difference in like sizing.
But
I think
every cylinder has its chamber.
Yeah.
This one's just one single chamber. Fuck. Like this side goes in. This one's giving me a hard time. Oh, there we go.
Cause you gotta like tilt it so it can meet up with like
Yeah.
this top one right here. This guy's taking a break, man.
There we go. Alright. Bro, is that side in?
Hold on. That's what I'm trying to figure out. Where is it at? Where is it?
Please tell me it's in, bro. Fuck yeah, do they fit? Ooh. There, go for it.
Although I'm not gonna tighten that one all the way. I'm gonna tighten it a little bit and then do the other side.
Do the other side so it can be even.
This is where those ghetto mods come in clutch, you feel me? We make an extension out of another one.
Damn, nigga, you going places, bro.
That seems to be it, you know? Oh, we were talking about this right now. This is, he has the aftermarket blow-off valve, intake, some cool hoses, you know? Aftermarket couplers and all that goodies. I was just learning about these because apparently the newer ones are, well, this one's cable driven, by the way, but the other new ones have like this. What is this? Your what do you call this?
My intake manifold?
Yeah, your intake the other intake manifolds are plastic, which is weird. Well, it's not really weird because like even on my car it's like plastic too, and the older model 350Zs are also made out of like cast, I'm assuming. Does it sound any different?
It's not that loud, bro.
Or does it sound different at all, or what?
Not really. Yeah, but I think it's time for a tow me then. Fuck. I ran out of options, bro.
Let me give you guys that cool start, you know?
Fucking quiet.
Yeah, you guys saw this is pretty much straight piped and it's not that loud.
Really? Let's say I give it like a few revs.
Well, when it's warm, you know? Yeah, it sounds good.
Bro, you
sounds
didn't
good.
see fire come out right now?
This guy.
No, I swear.
You did? You saw that?
Bro, you caught that shit on camera, bro.
No,
Fire.
no way. I didn't even see that with my eyes.
Watch
I want to see. Is it really fire?
Is it warm though, or why is it smoky?
Warm, it's warm.
Okay, easy. Yeah, I didn't see no fire.
No fire.
Bro,
It
but-
definitely queef, but no fire, you know?
I could. Yeah. And then just hold up, press the gas pedal all the way down. No, do it again.
I was not expecting that.
That's cool.
Yeah, I wasn't ready for that. I felt that in my chest.
Take it for it.
Let me know what you guys think about the sound in the comments below. We're about to go get a test drive in real quick. I got y'all with the comments. This is probably like the easiest I remember we've ever installed something on this dirt road. It's like the easiest, smoothest exhaust install ever, man. Apart from swapping my ISR from Tommy, you know, but apart from that, it was pretty easy. All these doesn't have. Oh, kilo dogs. Yeah, this is neighborhood squad. What's good? They be patrolling out here. What do you think?
Fucking.
Your car's that low? Is that low?
Nah, bro, it's just the mud flaps.
Those are scraping on the ground?
Yeah, bro, I just refuse to take them off, bro. I like the look.
That's low, bro. That's low. Hey, I don't know what you're talking about. This suspension feels cool.
Bro, it's fucking ass, bro.
This actually feels cool.
It fucking creaks like a motherfucker, though.
But it feels like solid, you know? Like I don't feel sketched out when you do a pull, you know? Is that the homie? That's the homie.
Yeah?
Did I just catch my dog slipping? I just caught this fool slipping. Yeah, I just caught this fool. What? Hey! I just caught this fool slipping, man. This is my mom's dog. What do you got to say for yourself, though? You're embarrassing me, bro. Come on. We were trying to get some pulls action in. No bueno, door. No. This is my boy, Dormilon. This is my mom's dog, but just caught this fool slipping on the block. Yeah, that thing sounds clean, man. That thing sounds clean. We needed more Subi content on this channel, bruh. That exhaust stuff, stupid easy, my guy.
All right, go for it.
Cartoony.
The HKS?
Yeah, it sounds so cartoony. It sounds like from a movie, bro. It sounds so funny. Like, I didn't think turbos could sound like that. It's pretty funny.
It's like a fucking race, but like an actual race car.
Yeah,
So what do you think speed-wise though?
It feels
It's,
cool.
like, decent,
I like how it feels. It's very drivable, like low end.
Yeah.
And then like when it hits boost, it like picks up pretty cool. You know, like it actually feels pretty
How
cool.
it just fucking like you go full throttle and it takes a minute for it to kick in.
Yeah, but it's cool. Like I like it though. It's cool. I hope you guys like the noises too. It's pretty dope. I like it. It's cool, you know.
But I think it's time for
It's not like it's just fun, you know. It's just fun. It makes a lot of fun sounds.
Oh yeah, dude. But shit, bro. Honestly, I thought it was gonna be a lot louder, dude.
Yeah. I don't know what it sounds like from the outside. It actually sounds like decently like pretty loud, you know.
Yeah.
It sounds like decent. It's not obnoxious, you know, but yeah, it's like cool,
That's
you know.
what I'm saying, bro.
Yeah.
Nah, I ran out of options. It's time for a Tomy.
Yeah, later, my G.
All right, later, Tomy.
Bye. Bro, this guy's tripping. That thing is loud. This homie tripping. All right, I'm gonna use a light for the Z to end the video. I hope you guys appreciate the content, man. That was a homie from like middle school, man. Him and my dad are probably the biggest reasons I got into cars. Why lie? I'm rushing like my speech because I got a limited time on you guys because my thing's about to die. But lesson for today, always be open to new opportunities and new things that come up to you, right? So he hit me up today to help him out. I moved my things around in our schedule a little bit to help him out, but I figured it'd be great content for you, be good bonding, you know, for me to like be able to work on his car since he did a lot for me in the way of like, you know, bringing me up in the culture. I'm very grateful for people in my life that helped me introduce me to cars because it's what I love the most, you know. My camera's about to die, so I'm gonna end it here, guys. I hope you guys are taking care of you guys yourself. Let me know if you guys want more Subi content down in the comments below. Let me know what you guys thought. Smash a thumbs up if you guys like the way it sounds. I love the way it sounds. It sounds so cartoony and so fast and the furious. Love it, man. Hope you guys have an amazing, blessed day, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.